Hey guys, today is Wednesday, September 2nd, 2020. Let's take a look at the market today. And not much going on besides the market just keep going up, low volatility. Been saying that for the past couple of weeks. I think I'm getting really tired of myself just saying the same thing over and over. I guess you guys know what's going on, right? If you've been watching my video, you will know what's going on. NASDAQ, same story, low volatility, just keep going up. Don't short it, don't be stupid, don't try to buy options on this. Because low volatility, the decay, just keep holding your, spot products, right? And don't know where this is gonna go actually. It seems it's going vertical and vertical. Eventually, it might just go like this and have a huge correction. And this happens all the time. I think that day might be close, right? Okay, let's take a look at some individual stocks. Tesla, yeah, Tesla it has a huge correction because Tesla's offering new shares, and that means dilution. Dilution is never good. Elon Musk is very good at picking the top and bottom for interim. So Elon Musk actually offered shares. Tesla actually had new shares issued at this level, and you can see that afterwards it had almost a 60% yeah, 60% correction. Now they are offering shares at exactly this point. Of course, I mean this point is due to that they are offering shares, right? It's not because they're good at timing the market. It's because their action is causing the market to react. And now the shares down quite a lot actually since the peak, right? Since this peak, by 19%. That is actually huge move. Today is down almost 24%. Wow, from the peak. That is a lot actually. I didn't really realize that. That is crazy, and not crazy. I mean that's expected. 24%. That is a lot, and yeah. What else? For Tesla, this is obviously a leading stock. Overall, I think the market still have a lot of potentials in a lot of companies. Not every single company is overvalued. Some of the companies are still decent value, to be honest. And I've seen some, for example, Slack, right? This company is still not being jacked up yet. And I think the reason is the competition from Microsoft, right? Microsoft team. But however, in this climate, in this market, this company is actually relatively undervalued compared to all the other companies. And the very fact that the stock hasn't moved is a good opportunity for us to accumulate. And I bought it here, I bought a little bit here, and I'm done buying this one, so I'm done with that. And what else? Let's take a look. This API, this is another one of my favorite. Unfortunately, I did not get a lot at this level. I still have this, but I'm not willing to pay that much at $56. I think it might come down. We'll see. What else? Beyond Meat. Beyond Meat is consolidating horizontally, consolidating through time. So this could be a potential buy opportunities for this particular company, but I don't know where is a better entry point. It could be 130. Maybe if it dips lower, I'll buy more. But right now, I'm not doing anything along this line. I talked about SPAQ in my previous video. Fisker Karma, Fisker Automotive. This is a SPAC, Spectre Acquisition Unit, and they are going to do a merge and IPO with SPAQ. So right now, after post market is $14. It seems that it's hitting that upper kind of VWAP right now, but we'll see how this goes. Okay, let's enough talk about the stock. Let's talk about Ethereum. So cryptocurrency, you can see the cryptocurrency. If we follow this trend line, you can see that the market went up to 487, almost 500. We're pretty close to 500, and then it got rejected right away. And so basically, this tells us that there is a lot of sellers at this level, right? This is something we have to really watch out for. There's a lot of sellers at this level, and it could take a while for us to break through the 487 level. Okay, so I think the market right now we're slowly climbing back to 443. We went all the way down to 420. Found buyers climbing back. I think in the next couple of days, we will be retesting this level, and it's gonna fail. Okay, it's gonna come down, and I don't know if we can keep retesting this level. But if it comes down, retest again, come down again, eventually the possibilities are it's going to come down a lot harder to find buyers from lower price points. So to kind of absorb all that selling pressure at this level. But I don't know if this is a possibility or it's just gonna continue to test, retest, and eventually break out. So I don't know which is a potential scenario, and we have to really just wait and see. Bitcoin, I gotta say Bitcoin is such a loser in terms of performance. It's underperformed everything else because it's so big. I'm going to get rid of my Bitcoin holding. I think we are going to retest this level 12,000, and we are going to retest and come down. Maybe we eventually break out, but that's gonna take a while for me. I might just buy Ethereum instead with that money. So I'm just gonna sell out my Bitcoin soon at 12,000 because I'm getting tired of this. It's gonna underperform anyway. To be honest, I did expect Bitcoin to kind of break out to the upside sooner, but it hasn't. It might gonna break out. It could break out after I sell, which usually happens. After your patience runs out, the market is it plays its reverse psychology, right? So my patience is running out, right? I'm telling you. So maybe this is it. This is gonna be the breakout. But it is what it is. I'm switching this to something else, right? I'm not switching this to cash, right? You don't want to switch this to cash. If your patience runs out in something, you better switch this to something that has the potential to go up. You don't want to switch this to cash completely because that will be most likely be a loser move. And I'm switching Bitcoin to Ethereum, right? So it should be fine. Okay, and that's all I want to talk about today, and see you next time.